Ready to ditch the repetitive tasks and unleash the power of AI to finally get organized? Today, we're diving into how to connect ChatGPT with Zapier, turning your workflow into a super efficient AI-powered machine. Let's get started. First, head over to Zapier and click Create App. This is where the magic begins. Next, choose your trigger app. Let's say you want ChatGPT to respond to new emails in Gmail, so select Gmail as the trigger. Now, pick the trigger event. In our case, we'll choose new email, meaning every time you get a new email, this app will fire up. Connect your Gmail account to Zapier by following the prompts and granting the necessary permissions. Alright, now it's time to connect to ChatGPT. Select ChatGPT as your action app. Choose Send Prompt as your action event. This tells Zapier that you want ChatGPT to generate text based on a prompt. Connect your OpenAI account by pasting your API key. You can find this in your OpenAI developer dashboard. Be sure to keep this key secure. Now for the fun part, crafting your prompt. Use dynamic data from your trigger step, like the email body, subject line, or sender's name, to personalize your ChatGPT response. For example, you could use the email body to ask ChatGPT for a summary. Adjust the other fields like the model and max tokens as needed to fine-tune Chat's output. Time for a test run. Click Test Action to see ChatGPT in action. Zapier will send a test prompt to ChatGPT and show you the result. If everything looks good, give your app a name and switch it on. Now you've successfully integrated ChatGPT with Zapier, and your workflow is officially AI-powered. This is just the beginning. Experiment with different triggers, prompts, and apps to automate all sorts of amazing tasks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks.